Hello all. This is a video that will talk to you about general expectations for the Module 6 set of assignments. Please be aware that the examples that you see on the screen may or may not agree with the examples that you are asked to do for this particular module. Starting with Module 6, we're going to be moving into a multitude of assignments that work kind of like a portfolio of assignments. If you'll look at your schedule, you'll see that for Module 6, we actually have 7 assignments that we have to turn in. And you will note that the due dates for these assignments are staggered. So please be aware of that as you are working on these assignments. It is absolutely essential that you keep up with the workload in the class. For this particular part, I want to talk to you about some of the specifics here. Please make sure you read the instructions. Okay? You'll note that on every single model that I ask you to build in SOLIDWORKS, you need to make sure that you have fully defined sketches and that you are using a combination of dimensions and qualitative relationships to fully constrain your model. Models must be fully constrained. I also will impose specifics about specific commands that I want you to use. For example, I'm asking you to use the boss extrude, the cut extrude, the chamfer operations as needed. And I want you to use the hole wizard for holes that are shown on any part that you're asked to do. Okay? So please make sure that you read these instructions very carefully for each part. You may see specific commands identified that you must execute on as you're asked to build these parts. So for the safety key, that's basically it. We can just look through some of these other ones here and see if there's anything unique here. Nothing special here. The other thing I wanted to mention to you here, please make sure you read this last note here. You need to retain every solid model that you build because you're going to need every model for future assignments. So if you're not retaining your solid models, you're going to end up getting yourself into trouble. So make sure you're holding on to your models. Let's look at some of these others here just to make sure there's nothing here special. Hole wizard, nothing there. Nope. Nothing there. Let's see here. Nope, nothing there. That is special. Okay, now this one here is unique. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Okay, this one's also part of Module 6. And the thing I want to point out on this one here is that you have to actually utilize the rib feature in SOLIDWORKS to construct the rib that you see on the part. So again, please make sure you are reading the instructions and executing on the commands that are specified in the assignment. Okay? I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much.